It's day one of summer camp, and Cammie and I are in the kitchen. We're gonna be cooking up a storm. I got some extra scones I'm gonna take down to the staff of summer camp, and we're gonna go pick some broccoli leaves. Okay, we're making salad today with broccoli leaves. So let me show you what that looks like. Here's the broccoli. A lot of people think that you can only eat broccoli and they just, toss the leaves. But in reality, they're sort of like collard greens. They're great. So we're gonna make a salad, kind of an Asian salad with these today. And I don't see any more. There's a little bit of broccoli coming back up right here. Take a look at that. But we're just interested in the leaves today. I'm gonna julienne them. We're gonna fry some rice noodles and combine it all. I made it a couple weeks ago for summer camp and the kids absolutely loved it. It was one of their favorites. We don't realize that there's so many different kinds of things that we can actually eat that we don't eat, because we're just set in the idea of what they sell in the store. And these wonderful leaves just kind of rot in the fields after they pick the broccoli. So we're gonna make good use of them. And I can tell you that, oh my God, the kids love salad. You wouldn't believe it. They come back for seconds and thirds. You just gotta make it taste good. So our summer camp program involves the kids working in the garden. They do some of the planting, some of the harvesting, some of the weeding. They learn about all sorts of critters that live in the garden. And they really help make it thrive. So look at this, like a lot of this work, it's all been done by kids, volunteers, and sanctuary staff. We just get the kids getting their hands dirty in the soil and learning about where food comes from. Lettuces are coming back up. We got some corn here. Wow, look at the zucchini. They look beautiful. They're just coming in. Oh, I see some of the first few tomatoes. Look at that. So sweet. Gosh, let's go on the mushroom walk and see what's growing. These are shiitake just coming in. We've got turkey tail growing right here. That's very medicinal. Oh my gosh, I got something to show you. Look what's under here. Look at those beautiful oyster mushrooms growing, ready to be harvested. Now let's continue our walk and then we'll go back up to the house. I think these are sunflowers. We've got more corn here, and look, there's an artichoke. I love artichokes. These trees were just not thriving at all. We had no fruit for a couple of years and they were pruned and watered, and looks like they're coming back to life. So I'm thrilled about that. And we have a lot of native crops growing, native plants growing here in this little walk. The idea is to really grow that are native to the area. Did you wash your hands really well? You have to wash your hands really well. Yeah. So we just picked the broccoli leaves, and I'm gonna make an Asian style salad with the broccoli leaves. Yep, and Mia is gonna help me. And she just washed her hands. So I'm gonna julienne these. That's ready. You can put that in there since you washed your hands.
But after when you're done making salads, you have to add some dressing.
I know. I'm gonna add dressing.
Woohoo!
And what's Cammie doing?
Cammie is dicing carrots
For
fried rice.
fried rice. You like a fried rice? That's not nice. Okay.
Wait, so
Fried rice is very good.
Well, in Japan, my mother always used to say fried rice. You like a fried rice? My mother used to say. So yeah, I like flies in my rice. Actually, I don't like flies in my rice, but.
But if you're a Rancho Compasión,
flies in your rice.
Yeah, do you like flies in your rice?
No way.
That's what your great grandmother used to say. She'd say fried rice. All right, so I need you to do this now, okay? We're gonna squeeze these limes. Now we're gonna do a really limey, bright, citrusy dressing with soy, because it's gonna be Asian style. And then we're gonna fry up some rice noodles, crispy rice noodles, and put them in there. All right, I think that's good. So you're gonna do that. Let's squeeze a little more. Get all that juice out. Oh boy. You start and then I'll finish. How's that? Okay?
Yeah. Nice.
That's a plan, right? Okay, you start.
You hold a glass bowl. If
Oh, take all those muscles. Keep squeezing. Okay, we're helping each other, huh? Cooperation. Cooking in the kitchen together. Oh, and the sheepies are going away. There's Pepper. Pepper's right. Hi, Pepper. Oh, and there's Ollie. Pepper and a mouse was found outside and then you brought it inside? Why?
We'll make the syrup.
Maple syrup.
That's gonna taste sweet.
It's so good. It's going to taste good. I'm going to add soy sauce.
Soy sauce. Ooh. We have to mix it.
Now we're going to add some oil.
I'm gonna mix. Oh, like oil spills. Like the oil spills.
Well, like we don't want oil spills in the ocean, though.
No way. No way.
Because what happens when there's an oil spill from a tanker?
All the animals die.
All the animals die. We don't want that, do we?
No way.
No. Okay, now I'm just going to taste it by taking a little leaf in here. Nice and bright and citrusy. A little more soy sauce. I think a little more soy sauce.
Are you sure this is good?
How is that? That good? Okay, if it passes the Mia test, then we're good. And that's going to go on there after we put in the crunchy fried noodles. We're going to fry up these rice sticks and put them in the salad. Kids like crunchy salad. And luckily today, we asked everyone who's got allergies. Nobody's got any allergies this week, which is really great. Because so many kids have peanut allergies these days. By the way, I won the Golden Chicken Award from Bryant Research in the UK and they somehow quantify and give awards to people that have saved 1 million animals. I love this award. I think it's so cute. The Golden Chicken Award.
Wait.
Grandma won the Golden Chicken Award. We took a poll. We asked a bunch of kids last week what their favorite meals were, and one of them was this salad. Kids loved this salad. So that's what we're doing. Just do a few at a time because they blow up. And if you add too much at once, then what happens is that you get these uncooked ones like that. And then you end up biting into a really hard one. So you have to wait until there's no more noise. And that's when you know everything's been fried up. And the kids love it. Kids love it. So then you put it in with the greens and these fried rice. Here's what I'm going to show you guys. So I love to see kids eating vegetables. I love to see kids eating a variety of food. And what we found and what we've learned and taught parents at this summer camp is that if you feed kids nutritious, healthy food of different varieties, they actually love it. They love tofu. They love salad. They don't just want to eat nuggets, peanut butter sandwiches and mac and cheese, or pizza. We're stuck. Parents are just stuck in this idea that that's all kids actually eat, but it's not true. Okay, we're going to soften the broccoli leaves up. Lunch is in about an hour, and we're just going to let this marinate for about an hour. It'll soften up the broccoli leaves and make them more delicious. And then at the very last minute, we're going to combine them with the crispy fried rice sticks. When you put a plate of food at home in front of a kid or two with a parent, there's no other kids around. and they've never seen the food before. It looks a little weird. And when you do it in a camp situation and there's lots of kids around, they're communal. And so everyone else is eating it, so they're like, I'm going to try it too. And that's how you kind of get kids to try different foods. I'm just going to top it with these, and it's all going to get mixed in right before we serve it. Cammie's teriyaki tofu.
Yeah.
You made a little homemade teriyaki sauce?
It's sort of a teriyaki. It's sort of, yeah, we did soy sauce, sugar, cooking wine, sesame oil, and then cut all the tofu into 1-inch steaks, I guess, slices, and then marinated them overnight.
To absorb the flavor?
To absorb flavor, and then we baked it. Gorgeous.
Wow.
High
Cammie,
heat.
it's
We
yummy.
roasted it.
You roasted at high heat.
Roast at a high heat.
And it's like pan frying.
Yep.
It's yummy. Oh, wow. The flavor has penetrated the inside. So succulent, so tasty. Look at that. Just pop it back in the oven for 5 minutes to heat up. It's delicious. Wow, that is so good. They're gonna love it. They're gonna love this with the rice, the salad. What a great meal. A great healthy meal that we're serving all these kids. And they're not vegan. All right, that's gonna be lunch right there. What would you like? More of everything. More? What would you like? Tofu? Okay. See? Kids coming back for tofu. Hi, Fred. Everybody, Fred's here to visit. What did we just do? Did we just serve everyone at summer camp? Yeah. And it's, so summer camp, day 1, everyone's fed. People are coming back for seconds. And we got 3 more days of cooking. Are you going to help me every day? Yeah? Okay. So Mia's going to help Grandma cook every day this week for all the kids at summer camp. And we'll see you again next time, guys. Say bye-bye. Oh, look at Fred. Fred's here.